What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got Goose here. Today we're starting a treehouse. I guess we're going to use this one now. No, those two don't look too bad either, do they? We're going to use this tree here. We got to drill some. We got to mark to drill some holes. Be right back. How high we want it to be? You know, the rafters, the floor, the beams are like 8 inches. So if you put them there, if I make it like 7 foot, the swings underneath it next week, so they can have a little swing set on. Alright, so all we're doing today is we, as you can see, that we marked the 2 holes with white spray paint. I don't know if you can see that, but so if I can find a drill, we'll come back today and do the, actually we'll put the pins in there. But to be continued until I can find a drill. Alright, well we found a, we went and bought a drill, so I was tired of waiting. We got our drill bit. This is an 1.25 inch. This is one of those speed bore things from Lowe's. Hope this drill can hold up though, because this thing is like a $20 drill. Well, toasted that one. We got 1 pin and half of a hole for the other one. Don't buy Walmart drills. They're crap.
Maybe that's not really weird.
The wind is insane. The wind is insane. Guarantee we're losing a couple trees tonight.
There's no lights there.
I know, I'm just looking outside. I think whatever did pass, passed. Alright, tornado just come by. It's gonna hit the house though. Look at that, look.
What is it? What is that?
Transformers blowing up. When the sky turned orange like that, it's transformers exploding. It's whatever it is going that way. You see it? There it goes again. I can't get it. I'm trying to get it on the camera. Look, there it goes again.
Is that the telephone pole?
Yes, yes. Alright, let's see here. Show you a little bit of the stuff that just came through. The little white dot is where we live. And it's pretty much passed and broke up now, but that looks like huge rotation. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to be doing another part of the treehouse video today. Sorry it hasn't had any progress in about 3.5 weeks. We had a tornado hit our town here and it got pretty devastated. And I work utilities, so I've been working for the last a while straight. So finally got a weekend free. We're going to be setting the post for the treehouse today. Right now we're going to be digging the holes, and a little bit later we'll go get some 4x4 posts and we'll get started. Alright, we kind of got the holes all marked out, as you can see, over there, and there. That took a minute trying to get them lined up, which they're probably a little crooked, but I think I got them pretty much eyeballed straight. That's just a center post for the treehouse there. So let's get this auger going and see how it goes. thing is worth the $50 to rent it for 4 hours. That took like 5 minutes. That. There's all the holes. Just gotta clean the dirt out away from them, and you'll get some concrete and some wooden posts. We're gonna go to Lowe's now and get some of the posts and some concrete, and we get all them setting up for the next couple of days until I can get the wood for the frame. Now, as you can see, we unloaded all the wood and some of the little slats that are going to hold them level while the concrete sets. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut the little slats so they're going to hold these level while the concrete dries. Once that gets dry, we just take the little supports off and we're good to start building up on the high stuff. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Got a little Stinky awake this time to help us. I didn't film this portion the other day we did here, the framework and one of the rafters, or the floor joist rather. That thing is sturdy as a horse now. And we just went to Lowe's and got all of that wood. We're gonna put the rest of the floor joist in. So next we can maybe start getting decking. It's gonna be so fun. And we're gonna work on the ladder too. The ladder's gonna be on this side here. Just enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, we have reached a good stopping point for today. I will go over and show you everything we have done today. Sorry, it's a bunch of time lapses. It's just easier to do it that way than filming everything. And as you can see, we got the ladder done. This will have a railing coming up and then going up one side of it for the little baby girl. The other little girl, she's about to turn 6, so she can get up there pretty good. She knows how to do steps. Just a little 2-year-old. She's a little questionable still. Bought a little bit too much wood this time. That's all the wood we have left right there. Those are 2x10 by 12s treated, so we'll probably use those for something. Maybe the slide perhaps. Because I'm gonna home make the slide too. So, but we got, like I said, we got the ladder all bolted in. I gotta put some more screws in the steps, but for the most part, that's gonna be the steps minus the railing. We got all the joists done. They're about every foot to 15 inches, somewhere around there. It's not exactly accurate. And they're on there with joist hangers for the 2x8 to 2x10s, all screwed there, and the ends are screwed with 4-inch treated wood screws. And we got to put some more screws in these little side upright things. I only got one in there for right now, just to kind of give the structure some rigidity. I got to cut the cut these off at the deck up here, and then we're gonna get some of those pre-made posts for the corners, like they have the little decoration on top to make it look good. That's what we got done for today. I'm at a good stopping point because I fell off the ladder and I broke it and broke myself. Just a little wound. But yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching this part of the video.